Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to be exploring some incredible hacks and use cases for Notebook LM, covering everything from managing work projects to enhancing your personal life. And as you can see from this mind map, we're going to be looking at how it can be used as a public speaking coach, how it can help you learn complex material, how you can use it in personal development and decision making, and so much more. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is go to Notebook LM. And if you haven't already used this before, I'll leave you a beginner's tutorial on how to get the best out of Notebook LM. But for this video, you're just going to sign in and it will take you to the main page. So we're going to create a new notebook, and then it will ask you to upload your sources. So for our first use case, we're going to be looking at how we can use Notebook LM to act as our own personal public speaking coach. And by analyzing our audio recordings, it'll be able to provide us with detailed insights into our presentation skills and identify key areas of improvement. So what we're going to do after we've created our first notebook is I'm going to upload 3 different audio files where I've practiced my 3 different presentations. Now, once my recordings have been uploaded, I'm going to add a prompt here that says, analyze these audio recordings of my presentation and provide a detailed evaluation of my public speaking skills. Now you can see it's come back with a full analysis of my presentation skills based on these audio recordings. It talks about my pace and clarity. You generally speak at good pace, making it easy for listeners to follow along. Your articulation is clear. It talks about my filler words. Okay, there's some reliance on filler words, and then it gives you some advice on that. Try pausing briefly. Energy and enthusiasm. Your energy levels fluctuate. Structure, organization, audience engagement, and so on. So it's giving me some general feedback. Now I can actually use that feedback to receive some actionable insights. So in this next prompt, I'm going to ask it, provide me with key strategies for improvement. It's come back with some strategies to improve my public speaking, and it says reduce the filler words, maintain consistent energy, practice extensively, focus on the ending, and so on. Now for the amazing hack that you can do with Notebook LM. So we're going to come down here to where it says Notebook Guide, and you're going to click on that. And once you've clicked on that, you've already seen the ability of Notebook LM to create podcasts, but we're going to be doing something a little bit different here. We're going to come to where it says Customize, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually ask these AI hosts to focus on, to give me constructive insights about my speaking skills as if they were coaches that are guiding me personally. So I'm going to ask it here to act as my public speaking coaches and provide clear, constructive feedback on my public speaking style from these audio files. Focus on key areas including tone, clarity, and message, audience engagement, structure, and specific areas for improvement. Tailor the feedback to be actionable and supportive, aimed at enhancing my overall presentation effectiveness. And I've just gotten this prompt from ChatGPT, so you can do the same. You can just ask ChatGPT to give you a prompt that you can use in Notebook LM. And what I'm going to do now is generate the audio. Okay, so the audio is now ready. So let's see what they've come back with. So I'm going to start playing that now.
All right, so you sent us some audio, and we're going to do like a deep dive into it.
Yeah, kind of a public speaking coaching session.
Right. Your public speaking, based on what we hear.
Exactly.
So first clip, new recording, 2.m4a. Mm-hmm. I thought you did a really good job in the beginning, like laying out the structure of the presentation.
It was very clear what you were going to be talking about.
Yes. And then I felt like the energy went down a little bit. Like,
yeah, I agree.
And I started hearing some ums and...
those filler words, yeah, those can creep in when we're like...
Yeah, I felt...
a little nervous or underprepared.
Yeah, when I got to that part, I was like, oh, I don't know this part as well.
It happens.
Do you think that people really pick up on that? Like, do the ums and the... is that really...
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Really make a difference?
Because think about it, when you're listening to someone and they keep saying and it's like, you know, a bump in the road, right? It kind of takes you out of the flow of what they're saying.
Yeah.
So being able to deliver smoothly, I think, really helps people stay on track and engage with what you're saying.
Okay, so how do I fix that?
Well, I think practice is really important.
So thank you for that feedback. So what did you think? I think this is absolutely amazing. And I really like the way that they actually speak to me, and then they give me that feedback, and then they talk about practical strategies for improvement. And I really think that, you know, I'd get a lot more out of this, listening back to this feedback rather than just reading it and trying to apply it myself. So an amazing thing to be able to do with Notebook LM. And now on to the next use case and the next hack. So on to the next use case, and this is for personal development. And I absolutely love this one because this use case will show you how to use Notebook LM to extract valuable insights from books and resources, and then you can create a practical roadmap for improving your skills, increasing your knowledge, help you learn about any topic that you want, and really provide a practical roadmap to apply your new knowledge. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new notebook, and again we're going to upload our resources. And this time what I've done is I've searched for digital marketing strategies, and I've downloaded a number of PDFs that will act as my sources that I will upload into Notebook LM. And you'll see some of them are really quite large files, 262 pages. I'm going to upload them into Notebook LM. Okay, so my sources have now been uploaded. So I'm going to add a prompt that says analyze these books and provide a summary of their key points and main takeaways, focus on their core ideas, essential themes, and actionable insights presented by the authors, highlight the most important concepts and any practical applications, leaving out unnecessary details or filler content. So I'm going to enter that. So you can see it's come back with the key digital marketing concepts, the importance of customer value journey, and some content market strategies, digital advertising strategies, and so on. And it provides me with these key concepts. So I'm just going to come down here and say, based on these books, provide me with actionable strategies for learning about these concepts. And you can see here that it's come back with actionable strategies for learning these digital marketing concepts. It tells me to focus on one stage of the customer value journey at a time, create a content marketing plan for a hypothetical business, and so on. And what I really love to do with this personal development use case is, again, go down here to Notebook Guide and create a frequently asked questions note. And then once that is ready, what it will do is whenever you're learning about new content, you're practicing new strategies, this is a really handy tool to have. You can go through the questions, have the answers as well, and you can test yourself to see whether you've understood the concepts. And what it also does is highlight the key areas that you should know about. And so, for example, I've got another question here. What are some common mistakes to avoid in digital marketing? And then it gives me the answers as well. So it's a nice way to be testing myself as I'm learning new content. And I can keep on generating a new Q&A note every time I add a new source. Okay, for this next use case, we are going to be using Notebook LM as a personal growth tool that will help us make sense of our entries, spot patterns, and get some practical insights to understand certain issues we're facing, tackle challenges, and work towards our goals. And I know a lot of people will have concerns with sharing certain challenges that they're facing at work or certain decisions that they're trying to work through by writing them down, and rightfully so. It's a question of how much are we sharing with these AI models and how much do we want them to know about us. So you have to also be careful about what kind of information that you're choosing to put in. I find it really useful, though, trying to analyze your thought process with regards to goals. So this is what we're going to be doing with these journal entries. So again, I'm going to start by creating a new notebook. And once I've done that, I'm going to upload some hypothetical journal entries to show you how this works. Okay, so now that all the entries have been uploaded, I'm just going to come down here and I'm going to ask a question. What patterns do you notice in how I approach challenges? Okay, and then it gives me an insight into recurring patterns that I exhibit when facing challenges like introspection and analysis. You consistently engage in deep self-reflection when encountering obstacles, action-oriented approaches, seeking growth and learning, drawing strength from relationships. And here's another interesting one that I like to use. What words or phrases appear most frequently when I discuss challenges? Okay, so based on these journal entries, several words and phrases appear frequently when you discuss challenges. Things like stuck and variations. Okay, stress and overwhelmed, challenge and push through, fear and doubt, explore and try something new. So you can start to get a feel for how are you expressing yourself? How are you writing? You can keep on synthesizing, extracting information, and just putting things together from your journal entries. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you a hack that you can do with some of these journal entries. So once I'm done with analyzing some of my journal entries and asking some questions, I'm going to come back down here to where it says Notebook Guide, and then I'm going to ask it to create a timeline for me. And what you'll see is that it creates a timeline for you, the key events in your journal entries, and you can specify which events you want it to focus on. It could be career-related projects, it could be personal growth projects, and then it just helps you to see the different goals that you accomplished throughout the year. So another very useful thing to do with Notebook LM. So for this next use case, we're going to be using it to give us the main summaries and action points from our audio files of our meetings. So again, we're going to start off by uploading all our audio files. Okay, so you can see that all the meeting notes have now been uploaded in their audio files. And I'm going to start off by asking it to summarize the key discussion points from meeting 1. Okay, it comes back with the review the timeline for the project, address any questions or concerns, identify any potential risks, confirm that everyone has the resources they need, and so on. And this is such an easy way for you to quickly allocate action points and minutes of the meeting summaries. And you can do this, by the way, not just with meeting notes, but you can do this with any lectures that you need to get notes from. You can do this with transcripts of interviews that you've had. So it's so many things that you can do with audio files now that it's able to capture the information and analyze these files. So for our next use case, we're going to be using NotebookLM to help us analyze blogs and extract the keywords and provide us with insights into the main areas that we need to be focusing on in our content writing. So I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to find the top blogs on intermittent fasting. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the links of these blogs. So I'm going to take this link, I'm going to go into my notebook, and then I'm going to upload all the websites and the sources that I think are relevant. So I'm going to add this one. You're going to see now it's uploading. I'm going to do the same for the top results that I've gotten from Google. And you can see now that I've got a number of sources here on the side. And once I have all these sources uploaded, I'm going to add a prompt here that says, analyze these intermittent fasting sources and provide the following: the primary keywords, the main topics, the content structure, the content gaps, and the recommended topics to focus on. And I'm going to enter that. Okay, and then you can see it comes back with the primary keywords that I need to focus on, the main topics that have been covered, the content gaps that I could focus on, recommended topics, some key statistics and data, and some amazing information that you can add as well. And now that I have all that important information, what I can ask it to do is create an outline for an intermittent fasting blog using the above. And now you can see it's come back with a full detailed outline of the blog that has all the key parts that I should include. And what I've done is that I've ensured that it's extracted the information from the top ranking blogs on Google. So I hope you found these uses for NotebookLM useful. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.